Good morning, students. Welcome to the second session. Now see the 12th problem. It is incomplete. So after rationalizes under root 1 plus x square plus x, take z, find 2z and dz value. Find dz here. Dz value in terms of z only. So finally, we got that dz value is 2 into z square divided by z square plus 1. Now, I think here observe that any mistake here particularly 2z z square minus 1 divided by 2z is equal to x. What is dz here? Z square plus 1 divided by 2z square dz is equal to dx. So here we have forgot dx. Now go to the question. Here integration, this value is z power n into what is dx? Here we got that is z square plus 1 divided by 2 into z square dz. To take outside, there is 1 by 2 integration z power n into z square divided by z square 1 plus 1 by z square, that is z power minus 2 dz. Multiply here 1 by 2 into z power n plus z power n minus 2 dz. Apply the integration 1 by 2 into z power n integration z power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus z power n minus 2 derivative z power n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. See the answer already given in the question. This is the answer. Observe that what they are given, what we got, right? Both are same. So finally, when it is possible, if z is equal to under root 1 plus x square plus x, this value we are taken z means the answer is going to match. So final answer is, which option is correct? Third option. Okay, this is not integration by parts. Integration u v dx is equal to u into integration v dx minus integration du by dx, integration v dx dx. Or we can use integration f of x into g of x. F of x is the first function, g of x is the second function. Write the formula f of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x. That meaning is derivative of f of x integration g of x dx. So here I am written formula, first function and second function. How to take the first function and second function means by using this word ilet. What is the meaning of ilet means? I letter, it shows a inverse. L means logarithm. A means algebra. T means trigonometry. E means exponential. And see the B point, if one of the two functions is not directly integrable. So if the function is cannot be do directly integrable means, that is you can take first function. If one of the function is not directly integrable and there is no other function, then unity is taken as the second function. For suppose integration log x Derivative of log x formula is there. Integration log x, there is no formula. Here only single function is there. At the time, take unity 1 into log x like this. At the time, logarithm is the first function. 1 means this is algebra. This is second function. Then apply that integration by parts, you will get. Whenever is there single function, so we can't do directly integration means at the time take that unity as another function. So integration log x dx, I am writing integration 1 into log x. 1 is the one function, log x is the another function. And integration sine inverse x, derivative of sine inverse x formula is there. Integration sine inverse, there is no formula. That's why you can take 1 into sine inverse x dx. Then apply the integration by parts. Now, see that this point, if u and v are easily derivable, integrable functions of x, then integration uv dx, that means u into v1 plus or minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. What is the v1 meaning? One time integration. U dash means one time differentiation. V2 two times integration. U double dash two times differentiation. So like that. Now this is also formula important. Integration e power x into f of x dx. Integration e power x into f of x dx. So integration e power x is always you will get e power x only. Okay, if you are using integration by parts, so many times it will come. So that is take outside e power x into here f of x is the function. That function do the differentiation one time, two times. First is no differentiation. Here one time, two times, three times like that. But we get alternative sign. We get alternative sign. Students, all of you understood? For suppose e power x into x cube dx. Here f of x is the x cube. Now by using above formula, how to write? F of x is equal to x cube minus f dash of x means 3x square plus 3x square derivative 6x, 6x derivative minus 6 plus c. This is the answer. So here directly we can write f of x, f dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x. But the sign is alternative. Sign is alternative. Okay, Mahesh, no problem. Next time don't do like that, okay? So students, all of you copied these formulas, or otherwise see HI material, it is there, no problem. Okay, now I am going to first problem. See here, integration by parts. 61, how to do that? X power 4 plus x square plus 1. This is a reducible factor. We can split into two parts. That is x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. If you have getting doubt, multiply right hand side terms, you will get left hand side. Now integration e power x into numerator part I am writing x square minus x plus 1 x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Now here these two terms is going to cancel. Remaining observe that integration e power x into x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now we have discussed one formula, integration e power x into f of x dx. This is you have to think f of x. Okay, now apply the formula e power x into, first what we have to write, f of x minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x minus f triple dash of x plus and so on like this into e power x. This is a formula actually. Integration e power x f of x dx. Student, are you understood? Now first write f of x function, that is x square minus x plus 1 minus f dash of x means what will come? 2x minus 1 plus double dash x means 2x minus 1, do the differentiation, that is 2 plus c. This is answer. And observe that e power x into, write the terms in particular order, x square minus x minus 2x minus 3x plus 4 plus c. This is the final answer. See the options. Which option is correct? Third option. Third option is correct. 62, observe that. Observe that the formula is in the form of like this, integration a power x f of x dx. Previous problem, this is integration e power x f of x dx. E power x f of x dx. This is the formula. Now here integration a power x f of x dx. How to write? How to write? This is a method. A power x into f of x divided by log a minus f dash of x divided by log a whole square plus f double dash of x divided by log a whole cube minus f triple dash of x divided by log a whole power 4 and so on. So this is the formula. Okay. Now by using this shortcut formula, we can find the answer of question number 62. Okay. Now I am going to write the question, integration 2 power 3x. Here x coefficient 3 is there. Then how to do? Here write k, a power kx. So you'll get in front of log a k. This is k, and here k log a whole square. Here k log a whole cube, k log a whole power 4, like that. Students, are you understood? Into integration 2 power 3x into x square dx. Now how to do this? 2 power 3x into x square divided by observing the formula I am writing. K means 3, logarithm of a means 2, minus 2x divided by 3 log 2 whole square plus 2x derivative 2 divided by 3 log 2 whole cube plus c. this is. By using that formula, we are simplified. Or you can follow Euler method also. 2-3 times you want to do the integration. 2 power 3x, x square by 3 log 2 minus 2x by 9 into log 2 whole square plus 2 by 3 cube, that is 27 log 2 whole cube plus c. See the options. Which option is correct? First option is correct. 62. First option is correct. And remember it to shortcut formula, then you will get easily. Otherwise, you are using integration by parts means. So you want to use minimum 2-3 times. Now, see this question. How to do this? How to do this? So here, let x square is equal to t. Because here x is a, that is the problem. 2x dx, that is equal to dt. X dx dt by 2. Now, substitute in the question, integration f of t into g double dash of t minus I think this double dash or single dash? Double dash only. F double dash of t into g of t into dx means dt by 2. dt by 2. Now observe that. Yes. Where in previous problem, yes, it's going to change. Now here, take 1 by 2 outside. Here, observe that this is one problem. This is first function. This is second function. And this is another one. This how to take? I think that this is the first. This is second function. Okay. Now split that. F of t. I'm using integration by parts. G double dash of t dt minus integration derivative of f dash of t integration g double dash of t dt and whole dt. This is only first one. This is only first one. Now I am going to do the second one. Minus integration, g of t integration f double dash of t dt minus into minus plus integration derivative of g of t, that is g dash of t integration f double dash of t dt here whole dt. Now observe that 1 by 2. So listen carefully students. F of t integration g double dash of t dt. Integration derivative is going to cancel. Now remaining is one of the derivative g dash of t minus integration f dash of t. Here integration g double dash of t means that is g dash of t dt. This is first one. Now second one, observe that g of t integration f double dash of t means that is f dash of t plus, why we got plus here, minus into minus plus, integration g dash of t integration f double dash of t, that is f dash of t dt. Now see here, any calculation, these two terms is going to cancel or not? Remaining is the answer, that is 1 by 2 into f of t. T means what? X square. F of x square into g dash of x square minus g of x square into f dash of x square plus c plus c. Okay, so see the options. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Third option is. I am going to 64th question. See this. How to do 64th question? What we have to take t integration cos x log cos x. So directly we can do that integration by parts. This is trigonometry. This is logarithm. Logarithm will be the first function. Integration log cos x into cos x dx. This is first function. This is second function. Apply the integration by parts. Logarithm of cos x integration cos x dx minus integration of derivative of log cos x. What is that? Derivative of logarithm 1 by x, and internal derivative we get minus sin x into integration cos x dx and whole dx. What is integration cos x? That is sin x into logarithm of cos x minus into minus plus integration. Here how to do that? Integration cos x sin x into sin x, we get sin square x divided by cos x dx. What is sin square x formula? Integration 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x dx. That is equal to, this is same, integration 1 by cos x, that is integration secant x. Integration secant x, we get logarithm of mod secant x plus tan x. I'm written directly, student. Are you understood? 1 by cos x means secant x. Integration secant x, this is the formula. Minus cos square x divided by cos x. One cos is going to cancel. Remaining one more cos x. So cos x integration, that is sin x plus c. See the question already given. Sin x log cos x plus log modulus secant x plus tan x plus f of x. This is f of x value or not? So finally f of x is minus sin x. This is answer. So which option is correct? First option. First option is correct. Now observe the 65. How to do that? How to do that? Integration x cube given. I am writing x square into x cos of x square dx. Here take that x square is equal to t, 2x dx dt, x dx dt by 2. So here we can write integration t cos t x dx means dt by 2. Now apply the integration by parts. Which is first function, which is second function? I let A is algebra, T is trigonometry. So T is algebra, cos T is trigonometric functions. So this is first, this is second. Now T, so here 1 by 2 is there. First write 1 by 2 into T integration cos T dt minus integration derivative of T integration cos T dt whole dt. This is okay. Now 1 by 2 into T cos T derivative integration sin T minus derivative of T is 1. Okay. Integration cos T sin T. Again integration is there. Integration sin T minus cos T. Already minus is there. It is going to plus cos T plus C. Now in place of T substitute T square. X square sin x square plus cos x square plus C. This is the answer. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. Yes, Sheikh Ishik. Second option is correct.